Hey, it's Ginger from Ginger's Doll World. In this video, I give another one of my awesome finds from the thrift store, Belle, a makeover. Belle appears in the Walt Disney animated feature film Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is one of my favorite Disney princess movies. Tell me down below which Disney princess movie is your favorite. Before I start the video, how about subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down after you watch. And I love reading your comments, so please leave one down below. I want to thank Snickerdoodle-Doo, Lana Brinkley, Jace LaFront, and everyone who takes the time to leave comments on my videos. Thank you so much. You are awesome. Let's take another look at Belle before I start her makeover. Her hair is really messy and it feels gross. So first I'm going to start by washing her hair and giving her a good face scrub with a small brush and dish soap. Then I put in a little conditioner for a few minutes. Rinse. And now I brush her hair out. I'm going to use pipe cleaners to curl her hair. I fold a big piece in half and then half again for bigger curls. It's very easy to apply. First use the hair clip to section off the hair, then just twist up the top of the hair and start twisting the hair around the pipe cleaner. Then pinch the ends to secure the hair. Now I'm going to dunk her hair in some boiling hot water for 3 minutes. So be careful, the water is very hot. Then I put her aside to dry for 2 days. So now I'm going to remove all the pipe cleaners, very gently. I'm just going to make a few touches on her dress. And again, I painted another crown before realizing I just wanted to use glitter. I think this necklace is perfect for Belle, but I need to paint it gold. It'll make it look more realistic. Now let's check out the before and after pictures. Wow, you look great, Belle. Just a simple makeover and now you look like a real princess.
Thank you, Ginger. I love it.
Tell me what you think down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.